In this video, I'll show you how to insert columns in Microsoft Excel. Here's how to do it. Here, before the age column, I want to add a phone number column. First, put your mouse at the top of the column. Here's column G. Right-click to select Insert. Then the new column will be added before the age column. In the Home tab on the toolbar, you select Insert. Then select Insert Cell. New column has been added. Let's do the same with the row we want to add. Then right-click to select Insert. You can also select Insert on the Home tab. Select Insert Cell. To add multiple rows at once, here I select 3 rows, right-click, choose Insert, and 3 new rows will be added to the table. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.